Hi everyone, we're looking at exponents and specifically the multiplication rule for exponents. Recall that exponents represent repeated multiplication, and the exponent is just part of the power. You see, the base and the exponent make up the power, the base being the big number out front and the exponent is the number in the air. Now you might be wondering, what if you just have an x or 7 or any base without an exponent? It turns out 1 is its imaginary exponent. That means that x to the first power is equal to x. It's just another way of writing it. 7 to the first power equals 7. So now that we have that, let's look at the multiplication rule. So when we're multiplying two powers with the same base, we just add the powers together to get our answer. So say we have 4 to the third power and 4 to the second power. To get our answer, we're going to add 3 to 2 to get 4 to the fifth power. But let's visualize this. We can have on one side 4 times 4 times 4, so 4 3 times like we have up here. And on the other side, we can have 4 times 4. We have 5 4s up here, or down here, and that matches the number we have right here. So that proves to multiply two powers, we're just going to add their exponents together to get our answer. Let's look at a few example problems. So for number 1, we have 3 to the fifth power times 3 to the fourth power. And from now on, we are going to calculate this, so you can either use your calculator or Desmos. So remember, to multiply these two exponents, we're going to add their to multiply these two powers, we're going to add their exponents together to get 3 to the ninth power. If you use your calculator, you'll get that this is 19,683. Here's number 2. 2 to the fifth power times 2 to the sixth power times 2. So try this on your own. Okay, so realize that this 2 right here has a power of 1. So to find our answer, we're going to add 5 plus 6 plus 1 to get 2 to the 12th power. And that is 4,096. I'll write that a bit neater. 4,096. Okay. Number 3 is -4 in parentheses to the 8th power times -4. Okay, so we know that this has a power of 1, this -4 right here. So to find our answer, we're going to add our 8 to our 1 to get -4 to the 9th power. And if you ever have a negative number inside parentheses raised to an odd power, like 9 or 11, our answer is going to be negative. And if you use your calculator, you'll see that the answer is negative 200,000, negative 200,000, negative 262,144. Okay, so try number 4 on your own. -5 to the fourth power, -5 is in parentheses, times -5. Okay, so this -5 right here has a power of 1. So to find our answer, we're going to add 4 to 1 right here to get 5. So negative 5 in parentheses to the 5th power. And using our calculators, we'll see that the answer is negative 3,125. So number 5 is x to the 8th power times x to the 6th power. So to find our answer, it's the same if we had a number as our base. We're going to add the exponents together. So 8 plus 6 is 14, so our answer is x to the 14th power. Our final problem is x to the 5th power times x to the 4th power times x to the 3rd power times x to the 2nd power times x. So try this one on your own. Okay, so to find our answer, we have to add all of these powers together. And if we do that, we get x to the 15th power. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.